What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a quick little natural makeup tutorial, or I wouldn't even call it a tutorial. I'm just kind of showing you guys how I do my natural makeup. By no means am I professional. It's just I do what fits my face. So already got my makeup out and my lashes and my brows are already done. I have my shade 322 Warm Honey, and this is the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation. So this is a new little blending brush that I got. So I'm just gonna pour some on the back of my hand. Okay, if you see me looking to the right, that's because my mirror is directly in front of me. A little bit of forehead, and I like to make sure I look closely when I do this because I'm going to mess up my eyebrows. Okay, so not too much. Freckles is still out. Going in upward motion. I think what's important for me is not the amount of makeup, but just the angles and the lines. So that's it for foundation. Just something really light, really simple. And then I'm gonna try this new concealer I told you guys about. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's in the shade light medium. So this is a lighter color that I wanted to try, just because this T-zone happens to be just a little bit lighter, and I kind of like the lighter makeup look with the concealer. So concealer. Okay, on my little sponge for my concealer, and I'm just gonna, I like to just dot it, upward motion, down, down, side. And then I like to wet my brush a little bit. It just helps to blend it out better. So my sponge is wet. My sponge is wet. I like to bring it down on the side of my nose line because, like I said, those lines are super important. Bring it up in an upward motion. It needs more blending. And honestly, I feel like under my eyes could use a little bit more. But since I'm just going for the most natural look possible, just something light but elegant, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So that's that. And it already looks like cool. Like I like the way it looks right now, but I'm gonna go in just a little bit because I don't want my face to be all one color. And I'm going to use my bronzer. Okay, let me use my City Bronzer. It's bronzer and contour powder all in one. So this is the City Bronzer and Contour Powder by Maybelline New York. Can you see that? There you go. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and then what is the shade actually? This is in the shade 300. So I'm just gonna take a very little bit of this. That was kind of a very, very lot. No, it's more than I wanted it to be, but we're gonna blend it out. Blend it around. Oh, my baby. Okay, so right there, I'm not liking, like, it's a little bit more there than I wanted it to be. Pick a little bit right on the bridge of my nose right there, just a little bit, right around my nose right there. Bam, and I'm done. Actually, I think I could blend this bronzer out a little bit. I usually don't. I didn't mean to put that much bronzer, but I'm gonna fix it a little bit by just kind of blending out. There's a really harsh line right there. I'm gonna blend that out with my concealer sponge. Just to give it a little less effect. Okay, that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Then let's see. Last, my highlighter. I always do highlighter. Like, I love highlighter. So I have the Milani highlighter. This is shade 2, Strobe Light. It's peeling off a little bit, but it's by Milani. And I'm just gonna take a very little bit, dust it right there. A little bit of dust right on my nose bone. And in my cupid's bow. See, not too much. That's just a little bit of shine. And that's it. So my makeup is done. I'm gonna do my hair real quick and give y'all the full effect. Hold on just a second. Okay, y'all, so I forgot. The children. It's one of my little children. I forgot to add finishing spray. Like, this is the Maybelline New York Glass Spray. So the makeup is makeup finishing spray, but it's for a dewy finish. You can't really see it, but I used matte foundation, but this just gives it more of like a skin look. So like the dewy finishing spray on top of the matte. Hey, fat moms. Come to the fat moms. Get it in my mouth. It always comes out like much better. So that's the last step. It's beautiful. So I took my hair out. My hair is already good to go. I just had it up in a pineapple for the purposes of doing my face. And if you haven't noticed, I recently just cut it because I just am tired of it looking unhealthy. And there's still some damaged pieces right here in the front, as you can see, but it's very curly. It's looking very healthy. The curls are given, the volume is giving, so it's definitely a lot better. So this is what my face looks like with my hair, with my earrings. I don't go nowhere without my earrings. Like, I'm a day one earring girl. Some people don't like earrings. I love earrings. And then all I have to do is get dressed. So this is my little makeup look, natural, pretty, cute, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.